Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Let's take a look at a trade that we had this morning in the Grok Star Room on MLNX Technologies. This is what it looked like at 4 o'clock yesterday. And bam, look at that, down 6% at opening. Not only that, it opened at 103.99 and jumped all the way down below almost to 100 in the first minute. So we can take a look at this one. I was short that particular one, and I did make about 4% on that trade, but that's not what I want to talk about here today. So let's take a look here now. It's beginning to form what we call a rising wedge. See that? A rising wedge. If you want to know more what a rising wedge is, you can go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school and look under rising wedge. Here is a description of it, and here is a picture where it is going higher, but it's getting it narrower and narrow in its band. This is actually a bearish formation. Once it breaks this lower trend line, the probability is that it will drop. So we were ready to go short here because it was forming this wedge, waiting for it to break down, and actually it also hit the $100, which is probably the most solid of the even dollar amounts, and it popped right down underneath that, and now I'm short at 99.33. Let's see what happened. Sure enough, look at that. It is a bearish formation. See how it just flowed right out of there down to $98, and then it did close above this line of resistance, which was both the 8 EMA and the 50 period moving average, and I got out at plus 0.8%. But I wanted you to see this particular formation and how it is actually bearish, and that the bulls are winning less and less during this formation, and the bears are winning more and more. So then eventually the bears take over, and there's a change in sentiment. So this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember, as Zig Ziglar says, it is your attitude, not your aptitude, that determines your altitude.